All right, welcome back to another edition of Flex's Legal Bit. Of course, I am your host, Flex Sajak, and we got Mr. Oh, I don't think you like Vanna White, wouldn't it? And you thought it. Well, I mean, you're the fit one. This is Mr. Raul Wahadlo. Introduce yourself, sir.
Good morning. My name is Raul Wahadlo. I'm a personal injury attorney. We're mainly located in Edinburgh, but we have offices in San Antonio and Brownsville.
And McAllen.
Yeah, I'm accountant.
In Houston. Just visit our website. You can find everything on www.raulwahadlo.com. Also, you can find us on all of our social media outlets, and then you can join in the fun because we have Flex's Legal Bit coming at you every single week. So today we're doing a reaction video. Going to take a look at a scene from one of our favorite movies, The Verdict. With Paulin and The Verdict. Can we see that in a movie guy voice? The Verdict. You do. I get it. Yeah, you do.
Can't do that, man.
Even before. That's really good, right? All right, here we go. Watch this. And if you haven't seen the video, go read the synopsis online.
Well, if you haven't seen the movie, it's a really good movie, and it's very detailed with regards to process, the law, and procedures, all that stuff. It was a really good movie. If you're into lawyer movies and shows, that's a really good movie for you. It's an old movie, but it's a really good one.
If you like the honor, watch this one. Exactly. Takes you back to 1982 for Frank's closing statement. I'm like, wait. To doubt ourselves, to doubt our beliefs, we doubt our institutions, and we doubt the law. That today you are the law.
Pause there and make a comment.
Yeah, one of those people who likes to talk during movies.
That's why I want to pause it. They need to popcorn.
So good.
Yeah. So do you want to tell me your take on that?
Yeah. What you just saw, I just saw on Grammy nominee right there, award winner. Perfect.
I heard Grammys for music.
Nah, well, Oscar. Is that
Yeah, he's gonna get them all. So, what do you think?
I think it's good.
Yeah,
I've never seen it.
but now you saw it. So
Yeah. Is it every closing statement like that?
That's not the question. Yeah, you can't answer a question with a question.
What do you mean?
Exactly, you can't answer a question.
That's my thought. You said, what do you think? My thought is every closing statement like that?
Let me tell you what I see. Is that it?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. No, what I liked about this clip, right, or that section so far, is that he tries to be sincere, he tries to be transparent, and believe me, the jury will see if you're, if you're arrogant or if you're not humble. The jury will see through that, and when you go to trial, the jury has to like you, and they have to like your client. If they don't like one of you, you're not going to do too well. And he's coming in there with emotion. He's coming in there he looks humble, he looks sincere. And what I like is that he tells the jury, today you're the law, which is really not true. I mean, they're the judges of facts, right?
Yeah.
The judge of the law is the judge on the bench. But, he's basically telling him, you have the authority, you have the power to decide right now. And it reminds me of my first trial when I started practicing.
Here we go.
I was like 5 months into being a lawyer, and I had to help this lady out, and I jumped into a trial, just to help her out because she was representing herself. And the short of it is that in closing
Market with one.
in closing statements, we had a really contentious trial. It was very complex, and of course, me not knowing anything about the case, I just jumped in there the day of the trial. What happened is I told the judge that I wanted to help her, and I asked for a continuance. And I asked for the judge to allow me in the case, and he says, I'll grant you one of them, which is you can come in the case. I'm not going to grant you a continuance. So the jury was already in panel, and I had to go forward without knowing much. So, we did very well for her. But at the end of the day, no longer in the short, I had to, it was at the end of the day, I basically did the same thing to the jury. I said, you're the ones with the power, you're the ones with the authority. I said, I don't matter. Opposing counsel doesn't matter. I said, not even the judge matters. You matter. So, they have the power, and that's what he's doing there. That's my take on it.
Making sure that they know.
And I had not seen the movie when I did that.
This was in 82.
Exactly, but I hadn't seen the movie.
When did you start?
In 2002.
Really? I get it. I was trying to say you did this before the movie.
No, I had not seen it. I didn't say the movie didn't come out. So, yeah, man.
That's pretty good.
Proceed, sir.
No, it did. Play. Not something.
Don't give up.
Not the lawyer. Not the marble statues. Or the trappings in the court. Those are just symbols of our desire to be just. They are in fact a prayer.
Don't cry. People in innocent trouble.
They say, act as if you had faith.
Had that leading me to comment.
Be given to you. If we are to have faith in justice, we need only to believe in ourselves. That gets so dramatic.
It is. It is.
Okay, so that it is a movie, right? So, yeah, but does that happen? Like, say if you have to make a closing statement, does that happen? Are you like that dramatic? Is it whoever wins is the one that puts on the best show?
No, I think it's a little over the top, of course, but an actor in the Paul Newman. Respects to Paul Newman.
Yeah.
But you have to be sincere. You know, like I said, you have to be sincere. You don't want to sound like arrogant or like you're on a power trip or anything like that, you know, because you're doing it to begin with. You're doing it for someone. You're going to trial for someone who's injured.
Yeah.
And they're the ones that count. So you got to take yourself out of that play, and it's not about ego or anything like that. You got to show, you know, what's going on.
But the jury is supposed to be unbiased, right? But I didn't think that's kind of hard to do.
Well, we all have our biases, right? But we want to try and pick the fairest possible, the most unbiased jury. But, you know, one of the things that you were mentioning off camera was how he remembers all this.
Oh, yeah, his mom, like,
Yeah. And you were asking me that, that how do people do that? I mean, if some people do that or not. And I know that some lawyers do that, and that's really, really good. I can't do that.
You can act?
No, I'm sincere. I don't act. I'm okay. No, but I mean, when closing statements, I mean, I just use notes. You know, I just use like outlines. But, you know, if you're going to address the jury, you're not. I mean, does it look good if you're reading something constantly?
Oh, yeah.
It looks great if you could just talk to them, and that's awesome. But
because then it's like it comes from the heart.
Yeah, I need bullet points. I'll do my bullet points. And by the way, you know, during the trial, your closing statement is going to change because you'll have a witness that'll come up with something, and you want to mention that, or things happen during the trial that you might want to change your closing statement. So you can't have it just solid and prepared all the time. So you want to be editing it
as the trial goes along.
Yeah, and that's why I use bullet points because, I mean, I'm not one of those that can memorize a speech. Like Paul Newman, he probably had a little bug there or something.
No. He had the whole movie down. And then there were no little bugs there. We need a cue card.
Yeah, no, I mean, that's amazing. But some lawyers do that. Some lawyers can do that, and I can't. I just have to do outlines. I don't read to the jury either, right? But I gotta have some my bullet points.
You know what the plus is that you actually show up to court, and there's other attorneys that don't even show up,
so they don't have to memorize anything.
Yeah.
There's also, you know, now the technology and stuff. Sometimes when you want to do a closing statement, you know, you'll bring up a slide again, you know, a PowerPoint slide, and say, hey, remember when such and such a witness said this about this was evidence? That's pretty cool. You know, technology has changed things a lot.
So you can bring out like pictures and stuff during your closing statement?
Yeah, evidence that has been admitted, not new evidence, not new stuff. If it's already been admitted into the court, you can bring it up and show it to the jury again.
Especially if I'm accents, that'd be pretty good. If you're either video or pictures.
The pictures, yeah. You show them. I mean, I usually show them the car, you know, it's been pretty smashed or something, and or the medical records or things like that. Or also sometimes we do some ESI injections. Those are like they go into the spine or something into discs, and they can take pictures of that. So you show how painful it could be for someone to go through that process. And the jury gets to have a good idea as to type of pain this person went through.
Now,
after the accident and for treatment.
It's one of those things where you say, the vehicle might be totaled, but not as totaled as their feelings and their emotions.
Kind of like that one, you know?
You like that?
Yeah.
That's pretty good, right? So if you haven't seen the movie, again, the movie is called The Verdict. and you're gonna see a pretty powerful monologue by Paul Newman at the end. It's a closing statement. So
Yeah, well, I mean, the whole movie's pretty good.
yeah,
But the whole trial part of it, but maybe I like to see juries lost over, lawyer movies. But I mean, the whole jury process, the whole trial process is really cool. Remember the movie with this guy? What's his name?
oh, that's
Hannibal Lecter.
yeah.
Ryan Gosling and this guy. There's a really good movie, an attorney movie, a lawyer movie. It's a criminal. It's about Double Jeopardy. You like Double Jeopardy?
Yeah, maybe that's the name of the movie.
Yeah.
Double Jeopardy.
I don't know.
No,
I don't think so.
what is his name? I forgot. It's like there. He came on like the Exorcist priest or something.
Hannibal Lecter. Anthony Hopkins.
That's what I said.
Well, watch that movie. Anthony Hopkins and Ryan Gosling. That's a really good movie.
Of course, you can see it on Facebook. And you can also go over to Tickety Talk and
Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget that.
Instagram.
You can also go to our website, www.elwahado.com. They have a link to our YouTube channel, so make sure all the videos, other helpful videos and information and little tidbits that you can find on there as well. And if you have any questions, of course, they can call us.
Most definitely. At 956-318-3200.
All right, stay tuned because we'll be back with another video here pretty soon. And if you want to see anything or you have any questions, make sure to drop that comment below and we'll answer that in the next one. But until then,
We're with you.